on, man.
That's rad, dude. I was thinking, we did a little contest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like what, a whip off or a race?
No, dude, I was thinking we both work at a company with some pretty high-end 3D printers. What if we could see who could make the best bike parts?
Yeah, man, I'd be down. Let's see what we can do.
Let's do it. Hey everyone, welcome to Bling My Bike. I'm Brandon Brown.
And I'm Chase Dinning. In this video series, we're going to be designing and testing a couple 3D printed modifications for our mountain bikes.
Yeah, and in the end, we're going to come back together and see who made the better parts. It's definitely going to be me.
We'll see about that. But we're going to have two pre-chosen designs. We're going to have a bottle cage and a pair of pedals that we're each going to design separately.
Yep, we're also going to do a mystery modification of our choice to something that suits our riding style a little bit, kind of what we do. And then in the end, we're going to come back together and you're going to be able to vote on who you think did a better job.
So stay tuned and follow along. Hey Brandon, you ready to go grab some coffee?
Yeah, man, we were out here pretty early. Let's go get some coffee.
Sounds good to me. All right, so we've made our way over to a wake-up call here in Liberty Lake and got ourselves a couple of cold brews.
Yeah, cheers, man.
Yeah, cheers. It's pretty good. Really good to have after a pretty good bike ride.
Yeah, it's really smooth, but you know, there's still some flavor to it, which is really nice. Oftentimes coffee gets, you know, especially darker coffee gets kind of bitter. This doesn't, which is really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Hasn't been burnt or anything.
You can even taste that through the cream, which is really good.
Yeah, I'd say I'd give this a thumbs up, man.
Give it a thumbs up. It's good.